Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a namkeen that will accompany you when you are hungry. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for Cheeseling Bhel are cheeselings, coriander leaves, pomegranate, tomatoes, save, chaat masala, tamarind chutney and green chutney. First, we'll take 1 cup cheeselings. In that, add around 3 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes. Then green chutney, around 1 tablespoon. I've posted the recipe for this earlier, you all can check it out. 2 tablespoon tamarind chutney. This recipe also I've posted, so just check it out by clicking the I button. Some coriander leaves, around 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Just give it a toss. We'll add around 2 tablespoons save and some pomegranate. And our Cheeseling Bhel is ready. Our Cheeseling Bhel is ready. For more such namkeen, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.